ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Google AI overviews do not treat Facebook Business as a primary local data source. As of August 2026, the models that decide who gets recommended still lean on Google Business Profile first. If you are polishing a Facebook page and ignoring GBP categories, hours, services, and reviews, you are feeding the wrong machine. I am going to show why Google Business Profile beats Facebook Business as an AI search data source, where Facebook still helps after the shortlist is already formed. The exact fields models extract a side-by-side scorecard you can run this week, and how to stop wasting hours on the weaker source. First, Google Business Profile is the primary entity record. When someone asks ChatGPT for the best plumber near me, or Perplexity for a dentist taking new patients, or Claude for an honest HVAC shop, the model needs a clean entity: name, address, phone, categories, service list, hours, review corpus, photo evidence. That package lives most cleanly on Google Business Profile. Google AI Overviews and Gemini sit on top of the same local graph. They already have a structured place to look. GBP is not a social feed, it is a structured business record. Categories map to intent, services map to jobs, hours map to availability, reviews map to proof, photos map to real-world existence. That is why GBP wins as a data source. It is extractable, it is consistent, it is tied to maps, local pack, and the same entity graph Google already uses to decide who exists in a city. ChatGPT and Perplexity do not need your Facebook cover photo. They need a canonical record they can lift without guessing. Facebook Business is a page. A page can change tone weekly. A page mixes ads, memes, boosts, and comments. A page often has a different name, a different phone, a missing address, or a category that says local business instead of the real trade. Models hate that noise. So the comparison is not Facebook versus Google as brands. The comparison is structured entity record versus social page. As of 2026, AI search still prefers the structured record. Second, Facebook Business fails as an AI data source. Failure number one is entity drift. Owners rename the page for a promo. They drop the city. They use a nickname. ChatGPT then sees two businesses. Perplexity sees a maybe. Google AI overviews ignore the messy one. Failure number two is weak structure. Facebook about fields are optional, buried, and often stale. Hours live in a box nobody updates. Services live in a post from March. Categories are vague. There is no clean service catalogue a model can quote. Failure number three is review quality. Facebook recommendations are sparse, social, and easy to fake in the eyes of a cautious model. Google reviews are denser, more service-specific, and already treated as a local trust layer. When Claude or Gemini looks for corroboration, the thicker Google review set wins. Failure number four is platform purpose. Facebook is built for reach, ads, and community. It is a good remarketing surface after someone already knows you. It is a weak canonical source when an answer engine is choosing who exists. But it gets worse. Agencies still sell Facebook page management as local SEO. They post 3 times a week, boost a reel, and call it discovery. Meanwhile, GBP categories are wrong. Services are empty. Photos are 2 years old, and Q&A is unanswered. You paid for the social layer and starved the source layer. Facebook can still help after the shortlist. A strong page can convert a person who already got your name from ChatGPT. Photos, offers, and messenger replies can close the loop. That is downstream. It is not the data source that put you in the answer. Think about the buyer path as of August 2026. A homeowner asks Perplexity who to call. The model scans structured local records, reviews, and corroborating sites. It does not scroll your Facebook reel first. If GBP is incomplete, the model names a competitor with a cleaner record. Your boosted post never enters that decision. Third, the side-by-side scorecard. Score number 1, canonical identity. GBP stores one official name, address, and phone that match the website. Facebook often stores a slogan name and a missing AP. Winner, Google Business Profile. Score number 2, category and service extractability. GBP has primary and secondary categories plus a service list models can lift. Facebook has a loose category and a wall of posts. Winner, Google Business Profile. Score number 3, proof density. GBP reviews are more numerous and more job-specific as of 2026. Facebook recommendations are thinner. Winner, Google Business Profile. Score number 4, freshness signals. GBP posts, photos, and Q&A update the same record the engines already trust. Facebook freshness helps ads and fans, not the entity. Graph. Winner. Google Business Profile. Score number 5. Where Facebook wins. Community, paid reach, messenger and remarketing. Use it there. Do not use it as your AI source of truth. 90-day plan. Days 1 through 30. Lock GBP. Fix name, address, phone. Set the real primary category. Add every money service. Upload real job photos. Answer every question. Push 10 service-specific Google reviews. Days 31 through 60. Align the website and GBP language so ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, Gemini, and Google AI overviews see one entity. Measure 10 money prompts weekly. Log named, ignored, or competitor only. Days 61 through 90. Keep Facebook as a conversion layer. Match the same NAP. Stop treating boosts as discovery. Reallocate hours from empty page posts into GBP proof and prompt coverage. Owners get this backwards because Facebook feels busy. Posts, comments, and ads create motion. GBP work feels boring. Categories, services, photos, reviews. That boring layer is what ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, Gemini, and Google AI overviews actually extract. Motion is not visibility. Extractable facts are visibility. Recap. As of August 2026, Google Business Profile is the primary AI search data source for local businesses. Facebook Business is a social page. ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google AI overviews, Claude, and Gemini prefer structured entity data, categories, services, hours, and review proof. Use Facebook after you are already in the shortlist. Fund GBP first. If you want that AI visibility layer without living in 5 engine tabs and a Facebook scheduler every night, Ninja monitors how often you appear across ChatGPT and the other AI engines, strengthens the Google Business Profile signals those models actually extract, and shows where competitors collect free shortlist mentions while your team is still posting to the weaker source.